In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva newsletter via email in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Let's dive in and start with the first step, which takes us to the Canva homepage. Simply open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Use your email and password to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. It only takes a few minutes. After successfully logging in, take advantage of Canva's vast selection of templates by using the search bar. Type newsletter to bring up a range of ready-to-use options. When the results load, go ahead and browse through the assortment of templates. Choose the one that best suits your needs or the message you wish to convey. Now comes the creative part. Once you select a template you like, click on it to begin editing. This is your opportunity to truly customize the design to your liking. Canva provides a straightforward interface, allowing you to modify text, change fonts, move around elements, and adjust colors with ease. Let your creativity flow by adding images, logos, or any other elements that align with your brand or project. Once you finalize your design, ensure everything looks perfect. Then, find the Share button on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will present you with various sharing options. To prepare your design for emailing, select the Download option. Here, you'll be prompted to choose the file type. For email purposes, select PDF Standard. This format ensures the design maintains its quality and layout when attached to an email. Click Download, and your newsletter will save to your computer. If the file is downloaded in a compressed format, make sure to extract it so you can access the final PDF. Now, open your preferred email client, whether it be Gmail, Outlook, or another option that you use. Start a new email and attach your freshly downloaded newsletter PDF. Before hitting send, you'll need to fill in the necessary details. Input the recipient's email address, add a compelling subject line, and write a brief message in the email body to accompany your attachment. The subject and body are your chance to capture your audience's attention, so ensure they are clear and engaging. Finally, once satisfied with all the details, click the send button. You've successfully created and sent a beautifully designed email newsletter using Canva. Congratulations on mastering this handy process, and don't hesitate to revisit any of the steps if needed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.